So, I'm sorry it has been so long since I filmed. As some of you may know if you follow me on Instagram, my light has been broken and then we've been in the process of moving for like the last month. So I'm finally in the new house. As you can see, I've done nothing with the background yet. I'm sorry if it's echoing in here because I don't have that much furniture in here yet or anything. But yeah, I decided I wanted to try and get a Thanksgiving makeup tutorial up. Just for the sake of getting everything I needed to be done today, I went ahead and did my face. So this is just going to be like an eye makeup tutorial. You can add whatever lip color you want with this. I didn't grab one from the other room. Sorry, this isn't going to be the most organized thing, but I really wanted to get back into filming. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Naked Cherry palette, and I'm going to take a shader brush, and then I'm going to go in with Devilish on the eyelids. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. I've missed filming so much, you guys. I love doing this, and I've missed it so much lately. I don't know if you can see him because he's lower. That's my cat, if you heard that. Once I've done this, I'm going to actually take my I'm going to stick with my Naked Cherry palette. I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to take Privacy, and I'm just going to use that to blend out. My cat is trying to open a box right now. I don't know what he thinks is under it he needs, but he really likes the box. He actually just recently got a new little sister that we adopted, so she's running around here somewhere. So once I've done that, I'm actually going to take a smudger brush, and I'm going to take some more of Privacy, and I'm going to put that under the eyes. I'm only going to go halfway under my eyes. You're more than welcome to go all the way if you want to. So after I've done that, I'm actually going to take the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to take my blending brush again, and I'm just going to get a little bit of ashes and take that through the crease area, just to kind of darken up the look. And I'm going to take a little bit of Ember as well and do the same thing, but kind of go further up with it, kind of over where we put the Privacy. And I'll just make that a little bit darker. I feel like it'll stand out a little more. And I'm also going to add a little bit of ashes and Ember under my eye where I put Privacy as well. I would recommend that you guys do the eyes before finishing off your face, but the reason that I did that today is just for the tutorial. So once I've done that, I'm going to take a Luxie 207 brush, and I'm going to take Ounce and use that to highlight under my brows and in the inner corners. And after that, I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelashes, on the tops and the bottoms. And this, you guys, is the finished look. You could do any color look with this really. A neutral would look good if you're going to like a family thing or something like that. Or you could take like the Naked Cherry lipstick and do like a darker look, something along those lines. I forgot to grab a lipstick and I don't want to wake my husband up and everything's like in the bedroom. So this for now is the finished look, but any lip color, any neutral or deep red kind of color you want to do would look great with this. That like is up for you guys to decide what you want to do. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I've missed you guys so much and I'm excited to get back into filming. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!